Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can get PayPal money off hold. Now this is very simple and easy to do, so make sure to watch right to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you can try doing to get your money off hold is to actually add tracking information. So if you've sold a physical product, you can add tracking information to the transaction, and then from there PayPal will release the hold once the tracking information shows that the item has been delivered. So if you head over to your activity tab on PayPal and go over to all transactions, you want to find the transaction which you need to add the tracking information to, and then once you add the tracking information, PayPal should hopefully release the funds. Now if that didn't work for you, don't worry, there is a few more methods we can go through, and the next one is updating the order status. So if you've sold a service or an intangible item, you can actually update the order status to completed. PayPal will then release the hold 7 days after you do this. Now, if you tried both these things and they still don't work, the next thing I'd suggest is to wait up to 21 days, as sometimes PayPal may put a hold on your funds for up to 21 days. So if you've tried those first two things that I said about, and it's been 21 days as well, and it's still on hold, what I would suggest is to contact PayPal support. If you head to the bottom of the page and look for this contact button down here, and if you click on that, you'll be taken to this page here. And here you can actually contact customer support. So if you've already added the tracking information or updated the order status and the hold's still not released, I would recommend contacting customer support through this, and they may be able to release the hold manually. Now there's a few reasons why PayPal might put a hold on your account, such as you may be a new seller, the buyer may have a history of filing disputes or chargebacks, the transaction could be for a really high value item, or the transaction could be for a high risk item, such as digital goods or services. So if you are facing some of these problems because of that, I wouldn't worry, you will be able to get this sorted, hopefully after you've watched this video. But if it's still not working, I would suggest to contact customer support. So that is exactly how you can get PayPal money off hold. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.